This is the first floor of 9 Seaside Drive in Rehoboth Shores Estates. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom, single-family home with full basement. Open floor plan living area, lots of room, very nice modern kitchen, nice bright master bedroom with a bathroom that is also very nice, modern appointments. It has a full basement, very nice inviting foyer, 2 bedrooms, guest bedrooms near the front of the house. Nice guest bathroom. Second nice guest bedroom. A family room that's currently being used for storage. A laundry room and another half bath. Very, very pretty house, ready for you to move in.